Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Plus. Okay, if you have an old router and want to use this as a Wi-Fi extender to extend your Wi-Fi range, then you are at the right place. First of all, you have to connect your old router to the socket and have a LAN cable connected with your laptop or computer. First of all, you have to reset your old router. For that, here I have a TP-Link router and you can have this set button which you have to press until these lights will turn off. This will generally take 3 to 10 seconds depending on your router model. Okay. After resetting this, you have to go to your computer. Then first of all, you have to open your browser and type this URL 192.168.0.1 and open your router's home page. Here you have to set up a password for future reference. Here I have setting it as admin and admin. You can set according to you. After that, you have to set up your router's IP address, subnet mask, gateway and DNS server according to the information given by your ISP and set up it. Check this. Go to Advanced tab and tap on the operation mode. Here you have different options according to your router model. Here you have to select ranges extender. If you are using Wi-Fi to connect your router with your main router, and you have to select access point if you are using a wired connection to connect your home router with the extender one. Okay. Both the process is similar and you have to tap on save. See this. After that, your router will be reboot, and after that you have to re-log in using that IP address 192.168.0.1 and input your password which you have given. For my case it is admin, your may be different, and then here you have to select the wireless settings and then connect to network. Then you have to tap on scan button and search for your Wi-Fi which you have to extend or which you want to extend. Then you have to put your password of that main router, and that's it. After saving, you have the network established as your Wi-Fi extender. That's all. You have established your network connection as Wi-Fi extender. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.